Hey folks, Todd from Rat Stash here, and look what we got. We got a priority mailbox. Now, this is from one of our local celebrities that we watch on YouTube. Her name is Salty Stella, and she is a dumpster diver, and love watching her because I love dumpster diving myself. Now, young lady's name actually is Liz. Is very cool, and so we watch her dumpster diving all the time and see all the cool stuff she pulls out. Well, come to find out, she has a Whatnot channel. So we're sitting there one night watching, and like, oh cool, she pulled out this, and she pulled out this, and she pulled out this. We saw that she pulled out various items that she was selling on Whatnot. So it's like bid, 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 and it came. So gotta do a live unboxing here, folks. Got the handy dandy knife. And I need it. Rip this thing open. So let's see what we got here. Alright. Ooh, what's this? What is this? Halloween cutout. It's gonna be that time of year. Halloween's coming. There's a lot of stuff in here. We found a lot of stuff, and apparently we got a lot of stuff too. I like this. This is cool. And let me pull this out of the way here. Remember seeing this come through? Macrame holders, plant holders. And this is really cool. I mean, they have this upside down here, but you plant the plants in these, and look, someone took time to actually make this. This is so cool. Now, if I know Renee, she's gonna creepify these things. Or I'm going to creepify them. But you know what? These are really cool. Now this dumpster diving. You kidding me? Who would get rid of this? This is so cool. Now, let's see what I got in this box here. Oh, hello there. What is this? It's the simple things we all love. You know, have a heart. And, oh, wow. Okay, there's a lot in here, folks. There is a lot in here. Look at this. Thinking of you. Yeah, put that card. But freight goes this way. Oh, you kidding me? Wicked. Heard it from Boston. Wicked, dude. Happy Halloween. These are all the tags on too. Trick or treat. The good old haunted house. Love it, and love it. Oh, dude. Come on now. This may go downstairs. I love that too. A conversation with myself. Bride of Frankenstein. Fantastic. And of course, her buddy, Frank's Monster. And of course, good old Happy Pumpkin Face. Alright, so this is for a first time buyer from her. This is a nice little gift she gives. This is nice. I like this. It's simple things that make people happy. Well, this makes me happy, you know what? And the card here, I like this card. It says, "Thank you so much, Renee, not only for purchase, but for taking the time to step into the show. I will be absolutely come to check you guys out at our store," which is not far from where she's at. Heart, Liz. So, Liz, thank you very much. Alright, folks, if you haven't yet, check out Salty Stella on YouTube, and you can also find her on Whatnot. And of course, subscribe to her and watch her shows. Also, subscribe to us on YouTube. You can check us out on Whatnot as well, but we're also on Facebook and Instagram. And in the words of Salty Stella, do something kind today. All right, folks, thanks for tuning in. Appreciate it. We'll see y'all later. Bye.